Are you tired of constantly procrastinating and feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Do you wish you could transform yourself into a productivity master and achieve your goals with ease? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll dive into a step-by-step plan to help you go from a procrastinator to a productivity master. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a quick actionable cheat sheet that will summarize all the tips and steps we discussed today. Procrastination is a common problem that affects millions of people worldwide. Whether it's delaying important tasks, avoiding responsibilities, or simply not knowing where to start, procrastination can have a significant impact on our productivity and overall well-being. However, with the right strategies and mindset, it is possible to overcome procrastination and become a productivity master. Understanding procrastination. Let's start by understanding what procrastination really is. Procrastination is the act of delaying or postponing tasks, often due to fear of failure, perfectionism, or simply feeling overwhelmed. It's important to recognize that procrastination is not a sign of laziness, but rather a coping mechanism. By understanding the root causes of your procrastination, you can begin to address them effectively. One common cause of procrastination is fear of failure. When we fear that we may not succeed at a task, we often put it off to avoid the possibility of failure. This fear can be paralyzing and prevent us from taking action. Another common cause of procrastination is perfectionism. When we set unrealistically high standards for ourselves, we may feel overwhelmed and avoid starting tasks altogether. Additionally, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of work can lead to procrastination, as we may not know where to begin. To become a productivity master, you need to master a few key concepts. The first concept is time management. Effective time management involves prioritizing tasks, setting realistic deadlines, and breaking down larger projects into smaller, manageable tasks. The second concept is focus. Maintaining focus means minimizing distractions and dedicating uninterrupted time to your tasks. The third concept is motivation. Finding your intrinsic motivation will help you stay committed to your goals and push through challenges. Time management. Effective time management is crucial for overcoming procrastination and becoming more productive. Start by prioritizing your tasks. Identify the most important and urgent tasks and tackle them first. Setting realistic deadlines is also essential. Break down larger projects into smaller, manageable tasks and assign deadlines to each. This approach makes tasks feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Focus. Maintaining focus is another key aspect of productivity. Minimize distractions by creating a dedicated workspace and setting boundaries. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and let others know when you're working on important tasks. Dedicate uninterrupted time to your tasks and use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to stay focused. Motivation. Finding your intrinsic motivation is essential for staying committed to your goals. Identify the reasons why you want to accomplish your tasks and remind yourself of these motivations regularly. Set meaningful goals that align with your values and aspirations. When you have a clear sense of purpose, it becomes easier to stay motivated and push through challenges. Procrastination can have a significant impact on your emotional and practical well-being. It can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and a sense of guilt. Practically, it can result in missed deadlines, poor performance, and unfulfilled potential. By addressing procrastination and becoming more productive, you'll experience a boost in confidence, improved mental health, and greater success in your personal and professional life. Emotional impact. Procrastination can lead to a range of negative emotions, including stress, anxiety, and guilt. When we constantly delay tasks, we often feel a sense of pressure and worry about not meeting deadlines. This stress can affect our overall well-being and mental health. Moreover, the guilt that comes from procrastination can lead to a negative self-image and decreased self-esteem. Practical impact. On a practical level, procrastination can have serious consequences. Missed deadlines can result in poor performance at work or school, leading to potential penalties or loss of opportunities. Procrastination can also prevent us from reaching our full potential. When we constantly put off tasks, we miss out on valuable experiences and opportunities for growth. Boosting productivity. By addressing procrastination and becoming more productive, you can experience a range of positive outcomes. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction when you complete tasks on time. This boost in confidence can improve your overall mental health and well-being. Additionally, increased productivity can lead to greater success in your personal and professional life, opening up new opportunities for growth and achievement. Practical tips and actionable advice. Now, let's dive into some practical tips and actionable advice to help you overcome procrastination and boost your productivity. Tip 1. Set clear goals. Start by setting clear, specific, and achievable goals. Write them down and break them into smaller tasks. Having a clear roadmap will make it easier to stay focused and track your progress. Tip 2. Create a schedule. Use a planner or digital calendar to create a daily or weekly schedule. Allocate specific time blocks for each task and stick to your schedule as much as possible. Consistency is key to building productive habits. Tip 3. Use the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique involves working for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break. This method helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. Tip 4. Eliminate distractions. Identify your main distractions and take steps to eliminate them. This could mean turning off notifications, creating a dedicated workspace, or using apps that block distracting websites. Tip 5. Reward yourself. Rewarding yourself for completing tasks can boost motivation. Treat yourself to something enjoyable after finishing a significant task or reaching a milestone. Techniques and habits. To further enhance your productivity, consider adopting these techniques and habits. Morning routine. Start your day with a structured morning routine. This could include activities like meditation, exercise, or reviewing your goals for the day. Prioritization. Use the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Focus on tasks that are both urgent and important, and delegate or eliminate those that are neither. Batch processing. Group similar tasks together and tackle them in one go. For example, respond to emails at specific times rather than sporadically throughout the day. Reflect and adjust. Regularly reflect on your productivity and adjust your strategies as needed. Identify what works best for you and be open to experimenting with new techniques. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Set clear goals. Create a schedule. Use the Pomodoro technique. Eliminate distractions. Reward yourself. Conclusion. Congratulations on taking the first step towards becoming a productivity master. By understanding procrastination, mastering key concepts, and implementing practical tips, you're well on your way to achieving your goals. Remember, consistency and persistence are key. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Please leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey.